Hey, Ing 105. Welcome. I can't believe it's almost week 5 in just a few days. You guys are really pressing strong towards the finish line. I know the instructors and I really appreciate, your hard work and your focus. So this is a little hoorah message. Keep it up to the end. There are a couple things I want to hit on today as we lead up to this. The first thing I want to talk about is the PSA or Advocacy Ad Discussion Board that you just recently submitted and you will be responding to by Sunday night. It's one of my favorites for the class that we get to talk about. So I have an extra resource that's kind of built around the advocacy ad. It's a Prezi.com presentation, and it discusses the use of ethos, logos, and pathos, as well as the visual rhetorical principles, contrast, repetition, alignment, and proximity. And it shows you kind of in detail with an image that you've already analyzed yourself, kind of a composite sketch of a lot of those different factors that are going on there. The goal with this is twofold. First, I like to introduce you to as many digital technologies as possible during this course, so that way if you ever need something like Prezi.com in a future class, you'll already know where it is and what it is. The second thing is that hopefully by giving you a little bit more further examples on these different rhetorical principles, it'll help you as you begin designing your own PSA or advocacy ad for Project 2. All right, with that being said, keep building. So this class is really designed to kind of build each experience on top of the other, culminating in Project 1 and Project 2, which then culminate into your e-portfolio. The reason I want to bring this up is by this point, you want to have a fair amount of the habits of mind and the WP8 outcomes filled out in your e-portfolio. Remember that at least half should be Project 1, half should be Project 2, or you can include a little bit about each one as they would apply for each one of the projects. The reason I want to bring this up again is just to say don't wait. The ePortfolio is typically worth the value of Project 1 and Project 2 combined, so you'll want to spend almost double the amount of time that you spent on each project to really get that culminating capstone project and to make it something that you can really be proud of and possibly even use in the years coming forward. Okay, so with all that being said, again, good luck. Please reach out to your instructor if you have any questions as you start all these different layers to Project 2, and then especially as you start to build those together. I hope to see a lot of you in the writing workshops for Project 2, as well as in the discussion boards. I will post the resource. I'll send it in the email, but I'll also post it on our group blog so that we will have access to that. And again, best of luck. We are nearing the end, so stay strong. You guys are doing great. Thanks so much for your focus, and I will see you soon.